Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize time tracking with Toggl. First, visit the Toggl website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface, which displays current projects and time entries. To start tracking your time, locate the timer button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the timer button to begin tracking a task. Enter a description for the task you are working on, making it specific for better organization. Select the appropriate project from the drop-down menu, if applicable. Set a tag for the entry to categorize your tasks further, which can enhance your reporting later. Once you finish your task, click the Stop button to cease tracking. You can also add time entries manually by selecting the plus icon in the Time Entries section. Fill out the necessary fields like description, project, start time, and duration if you forgot to track it in real time. To review how your time is spent, navigate to the Reports section in the left sidebar. Here, you can filter your entries by date, project, or tag to analyze your productivity. Use the insights gained from your reports to adjust your schedule and improve your time management skills. Explore Toggl's integrations with other productivity tools to streamline your workflow and make time tracking easier. Consider setting reminders for regular time tracking to establish a consistent routine. Finally, make it a habit to review your time logs weekly to assess your progress and identify areas for improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.